Kuldeep Singh, Avinash Sable, and Ashutosh Pranesh. Avinash Sable, way ahead from the rest of the field. He is a world-class athlete, and the national record that he set up at Doha of 8 minutes 21.37 seconds in the final is a testimony of his credential. Well, I was talking about this contest. Here they are, and here we go. Avinash Sable straight to the front, and we all hope that he'll finish at the first position. We all know his reputation, the kind of performance that he has delivered in recent years. Athlete from district Beed in Maharashtra. Up front and following him close there is Naveen Kumar Dagar at the second position. 7 more laps to go for all the athletes there. Avinash Sable opening up the gap from the rest of the field. Already about 15 meters there. Avinash Sable. And whenever we talk about him and his achievement that he could have achieved at Doha, and one of the most unfortunate tackles that I have seen in my athletics career is when the tripping of Takele Negate of Ethiopia that held in the qualifying stage when he tripped twice with Avinash Sable, and that's how he could not make the cut to the final. But Athletics Federation of India appealed vehemently that Avinash was fouled, and that's when he made his way to the final. And in the final, in fact, let me tell you that in the qualifying standard as well, he broke the national record, and he took that to a new level in the final, and took the time clocked the timing of 8 minutes 21.37 seconds.
Bib number 126 Sapna Kishan Singh representing Haryana, clock 13 minutes 9.92 seconds.
But Avinash Sable, as I was mentioning, he touched the timing of 8 minutes 21.32 seconds at Doha, broke the national record in the final, qualified for the Olympics as well. Already he is running in a race of his own. Lot of fantastic athletes in the long distance races have emerged from Maharashtra in recent years.
हेलो पागल तो नहीं है जो फर्स्ट आता उसका वाटर जंप एक भी नहीं दिखा रहा. आप देख लो एक भी नहीं दिखा रहा. क्या बात कर रहा है यार, अभी ऐसे कर रहा है, जो फायदा क्या है. जो फर्स्ट आ रहा उसका कोई वाटर जंप एक भी नहीं देखता नहीं है. आप देख लो उसका. और पीछे जो उसकी पता नहीं है कैसे आप लोग.
ये कौन है?
बाद में मैं बताऊंगा अगले
So 4 more laps to go for Avinash Sable, the leader of the pack. At the second position, right from the beginning, maintaining the edge is Naveen Dagar, and the third position, the man who is running is Balkishan from Haryana. So 2 athletes from Haryana are competing for the silver and the bronze, and the gap between Avinash Sable and Naveen Kumar Dagar is of about 100 meters, and it is only widening. Avinash Savle showing no signs of slowing down. In fact, he is reaching a new height at with his menacing speed. Here he just crossed the water hurdle. Good technique by him, Avinash Savle. Here he is approaching towards the hurdle on the track. So focused, so concentrated, Avinash. What a technique from the athlete of Beed district from Maharashtra. And I was mentioning about the domination of Kenya, and it could hardly be found in any other discipline of the athletics as far as the domination of Kenya goes. In the steeplechase of 3000 meter for men, it started in 1968 Mexico Olympic, the domination of Kenya. In the first two Olympics, in fact, Kenya couldn't do very well there. They could claim only one bronze, but since then, Kenya have won every single gold medal in which the Kenya has participated in two Olympic events, in 1976 and in 1988 Moscow. They did not participate, but since 1968 it has been their total domination, and they have won every single gold medal in the men's events. Avinash Savle is putting Ashutosh Pranesh of Karnataka lap down. And one of the finest athletes of steeplechase is also from Kenya, no doubt about it, no prize for guessing. Is Ezekiel Kemboi of Kenya, and he won gold medal in 2004 and 12. And his rivalry with Kipruto, who claimed the gold in 2008, is one of the finest rivalries of athletics around the world. The domination also extends to world athletics as well. In 15 meets so far, 13 previous 15 meets in fact, Kenya has won 13 gold medals, and if you consider all the 17 meets, then Kenya has won 13. Well, here Avinash Savle could hear the final bell, and he is going to put some more athletes a lap down. As I also mentioned from the beginning, that Avinash Savle is no doubt going to finish the race at the first position, but the only point of interest was that how much improvement that he can do. 8:21, remember, is the national record, stands in his name. Can he touch that? 7:43. Avinash Savle looking quite strong. In fact, he is now running like an sprinter. We all hope that another national record will go down today. Avinash Savle, 8:21. Keep your eyes on the clock. 8:55, 8:57. Avinash Savle reaching towards the water hurdle. Here he crossed that. Can he make another record there? Avinash Savle, as we are reaching towards he is reaching towards the finishing line. Can he achieve it? 10 more seconds to go. No, it does not look like that he can cross. He can touch the national record. Oh, he can. He is trying very hard there. Oh, what a performance from this guy! Just outside 8:23.27 he touched there, and Avinash Savle did very well there. He could have scripted the history by touching the clock at 8:21.37. That's what we were expecting, and he finished just outside that zone. But what a performance from this guy, the athlete from Maharashtra. He was always at his best. When in the pandemic year of Corona, we were hoping that his speed and the velocity that he is known for will deplete, but he showed no signs of slowing down, and in fact he returned to the scene as he was before the Corona. What a performance from the athlete of Maharashtra, Avinash Savle, a well-known name. And one by one, the other athletes are only finishing the race just to be complacent. Just to finish the race is Kuldeep Singh and Sumit Kumar of Delhi. We are waiting for the official timing of Avinash Sable.